There's the chip after one coat has been applied. Now I like to go ahead and take the product and apply another coat. It's been a couple days, so I let it dry and then just like to apply another coat. Let it dry for as long as possible, and it kind of self levels. It almost smells like fingernail polish. It'll hold up for say 4 or 5 years, and then you might have to reapply. This is a great method to make a tub look a lot better without having to refinish the entire tub. Hopefully somebody finds this video useful and can use some appliance paint on their tub.